Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to put Audi A3 wipers in service position. First, ensure your ignition is off. Do not attempt this procedure with the engine running or the ignition on, as it could interfere with the wiper motor's calibration. This initial step is crucial for the safety of both you and your vehicle's components. We'll cover the exact sequence to activate this mode, making your maintenance tasks much simpler and safer. Let's get started. To activate the service position, first, make sure your Audi A3's ignition is completely off. This means the engine is not running and all electrical systems are powered down. Within 10 seconds of turning off the ignition, gently push the wiper stalk down towards the steering column for about 1 second. You should hear a slight click. The wiper blades will then move smoothly to a vertical position on the windshield, indicating they are now in service mode. With your wipers now in service position, you can safely lift them away from the windshield. This provides ample space to clean the blades, inspect them for wear, or replace them entirely. When replacing, ensure the new blades click firmly into place. Always use the correct size and type of wiper blade for your Audi A3 to guarantee proper fit and effective clearing of your windshield. Take your time to do this correctly. Once your maintenance is complete, gently lower the wiper arms back onto the windshield. To exit service mode, simply turn your ignition on, then push the wiper stalk down briefly, just as you did to enter the mode. The wipers will return to their resting position. Always double-check that the blades are properly seated and that there are no obstructions before driving. And hey, if you're looking for a great way to read on the go, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, plus other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.